In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Trello dashboard step by step. If you want a clearer overview of your projects, tasks, deadlines, and team progress, turning your Trello board into a dashboard is one of the easiest ways to do it. Whether you're managing personal goals, client work, or a full team workflow, this feature helps you visualize everything in one place. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to your Trello Boards page. Open your browser and head over to Trello.com, then log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, click on your profile or workspace area if needed, and navigate to the section labeled Boards. This is where you'll see all the boards you've created or have access to. Think of this page as your control center. From here, you can choose any board that you want to turn into a dashboard view. Take a moment to identify the board that contains the data you want to visualize, such as tasks, cards, due dates, or assigned members. Next, click on the board that you want to see as a dashboard. This will open the standard board view, with lists and cards displayed across the screen. Make sure you're on the correct board before continuing, especially if you manage multiple projects. The dashboard view will reflect the data inside this specific board, so double-check that everything you want to track is already organized properly. For example, ensure your cards have due dates, labels, or members assigned if you want meaningful insights in your dashboard. Once you've confirmed you're in the right place, you're ready for the next step. Now look at the top area of your board, near the board title. On the right-hand side, you'll see an option labeled Views. Go ahead and click on Views. This section allows you to switch between different ways of visualizing your board data. Depending on your Trello plan, you may see multiple view options available, such as Table, Timeline, Calendar, or Dashboard. The Views feature is powerful because it transforms your existing board data into different formats without changing your actual cards or lists. This means you can analyze your work from multiple perspectives while keeping your workflow intact. After clicking on Views, select the option labeled Dashboard. As soon as you click on Dashboard, Trello will generate a visual overview based on the data inside your board. You'll start seeing charts and insights that summarize information such as cards per list, cards per member, due dates, and other useful metrics. This is especially helpful for tracking productivity, workload distribution, and project progress. Instead of scanning through multiple lists manually, the dashboard gives you a quick high-level summary of what's happening across your entire board. Once selected, your board will now be displayed as a dashboard. You can interact with the charts and adjust filters if available to focus on specific members, labels, or timeframes. This allows you to customize the dashboard experience based on what you need to analyze. If you ever want to return to the standard board layout, you can simply switch back using the Views option again. The great thing is that the dashboard doesn't modify your board structure. It simply presents your existing data in a more visual and analytical way. And that's it. You've successfully created a Trello dashboard to better visualize your projects and tasks. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.